CVMC, ECE, NMMC, EEE, Unit 5, Vector Integration, Lesson 3, Problem 6. A vector field is given by F bar is equal to sin y I bar plus x into 1 plus cos y j bar. Evaluate the line integral over a circular path given by x square plus y square is equal to a square, z is equal to 0. Solution: given f bar is equal to sin y I bar plus x into 1 plus cos y j bar. R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar. Here z is equal to 0 is given in the problem. No zk bar here. Dr bar is equal to dx I bar plus dy j bar. F bar dot dr bar dot product I bar coefficients sin y dx plus x into 1 plus cos y dy. This is equal to sin y dx plus x dy plus x cos y dy. This can be written as, in this problem, this can be written as derivative d of x sin y. Use UV formula. X into sin y derivative cos y dy, we get this term, plus sin y into x derivative 1 dx, we get this term. So instead of these two terms, write derivative of x sin y plus x dy. Given circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Parametric equations are x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta. Substituting here, we get a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta, common a square cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. So we get a square. So x, y satisfies the circle equation. That's why these are known as parametric equation. Theta is a parameter. Here we have to find line integral. Line integral means single integral. So here two variables are there. We have to write two variables in terms of one parameter, one variable, that is theta. A cos theta, a sin theta. So dx cos theta derivative minus sin theta. So minus a sin theta d theta. dy sin theta derivative cos theta. So a cos theta d theta. Theta limits are theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to 2 pi, complete circle, so theta limits 0 to 2 pi, complete circle, 0 to 2 pi. Now you write your integral 0 to c, integral g over c f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi f bar dot dr bar value d x is a cos theta, sin y is a sin theta plus x a cos theta dy a cos theta d theta. This is equal to separate it. Integral 0 to 2 pi derivative a cos theta sin a sin theta plus integral a square constant integral 0 to 2 pi a cos square theta d theta, cos square theta theta, a square common it. So derivative integration cancel, we get a cos theta sin a sin theta 0 to 2 pi a square into 2 into 0 to pi, again 2 into 0 to pi by 2. Application way, shortcut way, use Wallis formula. Here upper limit sin 2 by 0, sin 0 0, sin 0 0. So we get 0 minus 0. A square to 4. This is use Wallis formula, n minus 1 by n, 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. Whenever we get 1 by 2, we get into pi by 2. So this is nothing but pi a square. Problem 7. Find the total work done. Find the total work done. Total work done by the force F bar is equal to 3xy I bar minus yj bar plus 2zx k bar. In moving a particle, around the circle, x square plus y square is equal to 4. X square plus y square is equal to 4. Solution. Around the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 means this represents xy plane. So in xy plane z is equal to 0. So your f bar is equal to 3xy I bar minus yj bar z0. R bar is xi bar plus yj bar z0. dr bar is dxi bar plus dyj bar. F bar dot dr bar is equal to 3xy dx. I bar coefficients, you multiply I bar coefficients. Next j bar coefficients. Minus y dy. Given circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. Parametric equations are x is equal to 2 cos theta, y is equal to 2 sin theta. So 4 cos square theta plus 4 cos sin square theta, common 4, we get cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, so we get 4. dx minus 2 sin theta d theta dy sin theta derivative cos theta, so 2 cos theta d theta. Theta limits are complete circle theta limits 0 to 2 pi. Theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to 2 pi. Now what is your f bar dot dr bar in terms of theta? 3x 2 cos theta y 2 sin theta dx minus 2 sin theta d theta. Next minus y means 2 sin theta dy 2 cos theta d theta. This is equal to, so 3 into 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into 3 minus 24 sin square theta cos theta d theta. Here minus 4 sin theta cos theta d theta. This is your f bar dot dr bar in terms of theta. Work done means line integral over c f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi, where f bar dot dr bar is minus 24 sin square theta cos theta d theta minus into 0 to 2 pi 4 sin theta cos theta d theta. You write here one more step, minus 24 sin square theta cos theta minus 4 sin theta cos theta, common d theta. So separating we get this one, minus 24 sin cube theta by 3 0 to 2 pi minus 4 sin square theta by 2 0 to 2 pi minus 24 upper limit sin 2 pi 0 sin 0 0 sin 2 pi 0 sin 0 0 squaring we got 0. Here we use the formula integral f power nx into f dash x dx is equal to f power n plus 1 by n plus 1 x. So here sin theta derivative cos theta, so sin cube by 3 using this formula. Sin theta derivative cos theta, sin square theta by 2 using this formula. Better to use this formula, substitute upper and lower limits, we get 0. This is the simple way of getting calculations. Problem 8. Evaluate the line integral evaluate the line integral integral over c x square plus xy dx plus x square plus y square dy, where c is the square formed by the lines y is equal to plus or minus 1 and x is equal to plus or minus 1. Solution: given f bar, consider f bar x square plus xy instead of dx write I bar plus x square plus y square instead of dy write j bar. So according to given problem, we get direct step is there. This is nothing but f bar dr bar, f bar dot dr bar. So from this f bar means instead of dx write I bar, instead of dy write j bar. Your r bar is xy plane, so xi bar plus yj bar, z0. dr bar dxi bar plus dy j bar. f bar dot dr bar x square plus xy into dx plus x square plus y square into dy. This is f bar dot dr bar. Of course, given directly, so we have to learn how to write f bar. We have to learn how to write f bar. So this is the way of writing the f bar. Instead of dx write I bar, instead of dy write j bar. So of course dz is there, instead of dz you write k bar, some function into k bar. Okay. Now what square is given, x is equal to plus or minus 1, y is equal to plus or minus 1. So we get points 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1. We get points like this. We get points like this. Now you write diagram, brother diagram, square diagram. X axis 0, x dash, y axis y dash. This is nothing but 0.11. This is nothing but point minus 1 1. X negative, y positive. This is point minus 1 minus 1. This is point x positive 1 minus 1. So name it this one A, this one B, this one C, this one D. A, B, C, D is a square. So we have to write first line integral along AB. Line integral along AB. Observe here. Here which coordinate is equal? Y coordinate is equal. Y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. dy 1 derivative 0. X varies from 1 to minus 1. X varies from 1 to minus 1. That is x limits are x is equal to 1 to x is equal to minus 1. We have to always follow the arrows. According to arrow, write limits 1 to minus 1. 1 to minus 1. Now, what is your f bar dot dr bar? In this put y is equal to 1 here. dy is equal to 0. dy is 0. This is 0. Y is equal to 1. We get x square minus x. by 3. పట్టేటట్టున్నా line integral along BC, line integral along BC. So x is equal to -1, dx is equal to 0, y varies from 1 to -1. F bar dot dr bar is equal to F bar dot dr bar is equal to, so dx 0, y is x is -1 whole square 1, so 1 plus y square dy, 1 plus y square dy. I2 is equal to integral over c means that line over which line, BC line. F bar dot dr bar, no need to write this step. So limits are 1 to -1. F bar dot dr bar is 1 plus y square dy is equal to, so integral 1 dy y plus y cube by 3, 1 to -1. Substituting upper limit, -1 whole cube, -1 by 3. This is upper limit minus 1 plus 1 by 3. So -1 -1 by 3, -1 -1 by 3. So this is -2 -2 by 3. -2 -2 by 3. Next, line integral along CD. Along CD, y is equal to -1, dy 0, x varies from -1 to 1. Now what is your F bar dot dr bar? According to this, dy 0, so y is -1, so x square minus x dx, so I3 integral over CD F bar dot dr bar is equal to integral -1 to 1 x square minus x dx is equal to x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 -1 to 1. Substitute upper limit 1 cube 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, minus lower limit -1 whole cube -1 by 3 -1 by 2, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 1 by 2 cancel, we get 2 by 3. Line integral along DA, x is equal to 1, dx 1 derivative 0, y varies from -1 to 1. Observe the diagram. Now F bar dot dr bar is dx 0, x 1, so 1 plus y square dy, 1 plus y square dy. I4 integral over dA F bar dot dr bar is equal to integral -1 to 1 1 plus y square dy, 1 dy y plus y cube by 3 -1 to 1 put upper limit 1 plus 1 cube by 3 1 by 3 minus lower limit minus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 whole cube 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So 2 plus 2 by 3 2 plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. This is minus 2 by 3. Your I1 is minus 2 by 3. Therefore, I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4. I1 is minus 2 by 3. I2 is minus 2 by 3. I3 is plus 2 by 3. I4 is plus 2 by 3. Nothing but cancel, we get 0. 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2, 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. All are cancelled, we get 0.